mean, you probably don't need gas for like another 20 miles or something, right?
I'm only at 29, so...
How much you spilled in the creek back there.
That's true.
Definitely lost a couple miles per gallon in that creek.
Alright, so you're going to cross the creek here. I'm going to go up the hill, and then we'll meet up wherever they go. Could you imagine? That'd be horrible.
Never get lost. Never get separated from anybody out here.
No.
Never.
Never.
Ever. You going up the hill?
I thought that's what we said, right?
I don't know.
You said that dead-ended.
Oh, I don't know that for sure.
This looks fresh.
Oh, is it like fresh?
Yeah, like they just built this with the dozer like yesterday.
Oh, maybe we should go straight. Or left.
Where you at?
What'd you do? Right?
Yeah, but it stops. It stops at a gas well.
Oh, okay. So
Around.
we're going back to the creek?
I guess.
Yeah.
That's what they did. They just repaired the road.
Oh, I can't turn.
Ah!
Oh no, that is steep.
You sprayed me.
Sorry,
Ah!
I'm stuck. You need that tow rope. Oh, maybe not. Sorry, didn't mean to risk you.
Freaking sprayed me, bro.
Sorry, bro.
Brand new KTM jacket.
Oh man.
Hadn't even seen the bottom of a creek yet.
Oh, actually, well, you're gonna have to dispute that one.
Oh man, what a beautiful day, dude. Yeah, this hill was probably like where they couldn't get up it anymore.
Yeah.
Probably had to fix it.
Yeah. Dropping like 4,000 feet of elevation.
Yeah. So, this way?
I don't know. I mean, there's no yellow arrow, but
Pretty deep. Yeah, I was good for following in the yellow arrows. Oh, this is looking sketch, dude.
oh wow.
Okay, now which way? There's one way up the mountain and one way straight. I think generally going up the mountain is probably not the best way to find another road.
Yeah. That seems like pretty good. Roll.
Whoa! Oh, that was deeper than I thought.
Oh my gosh.
So, where my front wheel's at, it's fine. But where my back wheel's at, it's not. I drowned in it, dude.
So what's the plan there? Stay right?
You better stay as far right as you can. Just wheelie through it.
Good grief. Woo!
Yeah, that's what always makes me hesitate. And like some of these holes aren't a big deal. And then you get one like that. There's a creek.
Yeah. Used to like creek the other day.
Holy cow, dude.
Yeah, Lord.
What, yellow arrow?
I don't know.
We're going back up the mountain whether we want to or not, buddy.
Hey, wait.
I think the best, you still there?
Yeah.
I think the best strategy is to stay on what looks like the best kept and used road and follow it for as long as we can.
You see that on MacGyver?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
There's no real data to support that strategy. It's just a hunch.
Well, since we know that there's a way out here to end up clear in Summersville, and a lot of people do it, we should probably just follow the most used road if we weren't trying to get back at 3.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That goes up a mountain, dude.
That looks pretty well used.
Yeah, let's go that way. You want to stop and catch tadpoles?
Cool.
Dude, more cutoffs everywhere. Cutoffs and beer cans. That's all this place is. Back up the hill.
I just can't believe it's this, like, worn in. We haven't seen anybody.
I know, dude. Last time we were trying to ride and we like couldn't because we kept popping out on roads. Gas line, dead end. Well, at least we know. That's what we're trying to figure out. We need to put our own like marker system out here.
Yeah.
Like get color coded ribbon, and like every blue one means it's just dead ends at a freaking gas well.
Yeah. How many like people they have to employ to do this stuff on all these.
I know. I don't understand how the infrastructure stays up.
I don't either. And then like we come out and do this, you still don't see anybody out here working on it. Like I don't get it.
Yeah.
Maybe this might all be gas line roads and that's it.
Yep. Might be. Split, I stayed left, and it looks like it stops at another freaking gas well.
You stayed left?
I went left.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it stops or if it keeps going. Something keeps going, it looks like. No, it keeps going. Oh, golly, dude. There's another deep one, man.
Yeah, man, I don't know. I wonder is that if we followed the yellow arrow where we end up at.
Well, let's go do that.
I don't know.
Let's go do that.
Take another look at the map again. Ugh.
Unless we have service, I don't...
Yeah, I know, right? Let's just see. It looks like we went the same direction we thought we were going to go.
I can probably get through that, but it's going to be a pain.
I mean, dude, we're just like literally in the middle of nowhere.
Well, that was kind of the plan, but I hope to be in the middle of nowhere closer to around 9 and not 11:30.
Yeah, right.